Grew up here, went to college down at Miami of Ohio, and then moved to Chicago on a whim. I love Chicago, but it's not the most humble area, and so I think there's something to be said about people who grow up in this area and they don't take things for granted and they're hardworking, and I wanted my children to have that, so I missed some of that hometown feel. I missed my family, obviously, in general, and it's beautiful here, and we loved coming back in the summers. It's kind of like every summer you have a vacation home, so that was something that we missed a lot. Never thought I'd work in fabrication, never thought I'd work in manufacturing. To be honest, it's a family-owned business, but I didn't know much about it. I thought majority of my life my dad built sculptures, which is not really true. It's an area of work that we do, but it's not the core. But I actually graduated college and thought I was gonna be a museum curator or something more artistic like that, and graduated right when the economy took a tank in 2008. So went into sales and really enjoyed sales, but never really believed in what I was selling. I was doing recruiting and account management, and it was really hard to sell something that you weren't passionate about. And so I remember my dad calling and saying, "You're good at sales, you like sales, would you like to try sales for Northern?" And I was kind of excited about that because you're selling not just your business, but you're selling your family. You're selling something that you believe in, something that you are passionate about. We're a sheet metal fabrication company, so I'd say we specialize in stainless steel. We build things that go all over the world. Google has found us on Google. We've worked with Siemens, with Babcock and Wilcox, with Procter & Gamble. So a lot of these really large companies have found us in Ohio, and we've built amazing things for them, and that is really exciting. My grandfather started the company at 7 people. My father was the 8th. And I think that says a lot about their grit. Sometimes they had to sleep on the floor to make sure that the products got out the next morning. And I think they've tried to embed that in the rest of us. And I think we're all just trying to make them proud and continue kind of that legacy. My dad's an interesting person. I think anyone who meets him will tell you that. One of his main things is you don't have the responsibility to yourself and the company. You have a responsibility to take care of 150 people and all of their families as well. You want to create something that you're proud of and create something that everyone that is a part of is proud of as well. So being able to support something like this and grow something like this is important for us. This is a really cool place to visit, and it is a really exciting place to be, and the more people invest in that or help develop that, I think the more people would be drawn to the area.